Welcome to JH. Let's talk about Colavita extra virgin olive oil, the kitchen staple that promises authentic Mediterranean flavor while staring at you from every grocery store shelf in existence. It's one of those bottles that's so ubiquitous you'd think it has a better travel agent than you do. It claims to deliver the richness of first cold-pressed olives without forcing you to take out a second mortgage. I wanted to see if it actually lives up to its reputation or if it's just another common label coasting on name recognition and a fancy-sounding heritage. In the kitchen, Colavita actually performs beautifully instead of just sitting there looking pretty. It has a medium body that's versatile enough for sautéing, roasting, or finishing dishes without bullying the rest of your ingredients. You can drizzle it over salads, fresh bread, or grilled vegetables, and it adds depth without that annoying bitter aftertaste some fancy oils have. It even handles light frying well, though, like any extra virgin oil, it's happiest when it's not being blasted by heat, much like my patience on a Monday morning. Consistency is really where Colavita shines. They've been around for decades, blending their oil to ensure the flavor profile doesn't change just because the weather did. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, you know exactly what's coming out of that bottle every single time. The packaging is actually practical too, featuring a dark glass bottle to protect the oil from light, because apparently, olive oil is as sensitive to the sun as a Victorian novelist. Plus, the pour spout actually works, allowing you to drizzle without turning your counter into a slip and slide. So who is this oil really for? It's for anyone who wants a trustworthy, everyday oil that elevates a meal without the pretentious artisan price tag. If you need something versatile and rooted in tradition that won't judge your lack of culinary skills, this bottle more than earns its spot on your counter. It's a pantry staple for a reason, proving that sometimes the stuff everyone buys is actually worth the hype.